All right, so here's a look at these plant lights. Now these are going to be great if you've got a house that's a little bit dark, or like for us, for example, we have a wall that's kind of on the outside of our house that is going to block the light. So the light is constantly moving, and we would have to constantly move our plants out of the way in order for them to catch that light. But since we have this plant light, we could easily just supplement that light by putting this on here and then kind of getting it onto the point that we need. It's also going to have a bunch of different modes on here as well. So we could click this and you could see it's kind of changing colors, and each color is going to be a different mode. So one might be for plant growth, another might be for leaf and blooming, and then the other one is for roots. So kind of depends on what you want to use it for. You could adjust this up and down, making it nice and easy to get to different parts of the plant, or if you've got some smaller plants and some larger plants, you could easily move it around. Now, I love the fact that this has these gooseneck pieces right here because, again, you're able to really focus in on the spot that you want it to dial in on. So you could use it like that. And honestly, it just looks good. I've seen some other ones and they have like those long extended light pieces and they kind of just look funky in the house. So we wanted to make sure that we went with something that's going to be kind of aesthetically pleasing and it's going to actually fit the aesthetic of our house. You can change the dimness of it on the controller. So we could go ahead and switch that dimness brighter or lower. We could also set a timer as well. So if you wanted to set it for just a certain number of time, like maybe 4 hours, 6 hours, I forgot the exact times, but you could set it on a timer. And this is perfect for if maybe you're leaving the house and you won't be home to set it up. Cable that it comes with is nice as well because it's a long cable. Right now I've got it kind of tied up, but this could actually go really far. So I do like the fact that they made that cable long, just because sometimes we want to use it on these plants or we want to use it on the plants that are further over this way, and I can easily just pick this up, move it over here, and then boom, focus it on these plants, and then when I want to, I could just move it back. So again, this is perfect for large plants like this, smaller plants, if you have fruit plants, pretty much anything plant related, you could definitely use these lights. And again, I really just love the aesthetic of it. It fits well in our house and it doesn't stand out like an eyesore. I see plant lights like this at other people's house and I'm always like, I need one for my plants, but I just don't want it to, disrupt the look of the house. So having one like this just looks really great, and I like that it's a piece in the house rather than an eyesore. So if you're looking for a really good plant light, something that works well and looks great, then I would definitely recommend picking up a pair of these.